this is just a quick unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Midnight Green. I paid $486 with an iPhone trade-in, and this phone originally cost I think $1,100. I got the 64 gig. I should have got the 256, but I didn't. And yeah, let's unbox this. Okay.
Our stuff is still on that pallet.
Let's unbox this. Come on. Okay. Ooh. Let's get that. Okay. This is the phone in mint condition. Let's put that down there. You get your user manual and usually the Apple stickers, the wall brick. This is the new one, Type C, the earbuds, and then the lightning cable. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. I know it's a quick unboxing. I'll probably do a review or so, but yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.